Hey guys, welcome back. I purchased my very first mystery diamond painting from AliExpress. It got here in 12 days, which is pretty fast for AliExpress, especially now. It is a mystery diamond painting. I have not looked at the feedback of the order. It's pretty new. Let me see if I can show you a bit. So this is all I see. This is the price. I paid shipping, €6.30, which should be about $7 US. I'm not sure. But it's a 30 by 40 square diamond painting. It feels like they just rolled it up, which doesn't have to be a bad thing. I don't know if it's going to be double-sided adhesive or whatnot, but let's just not wait any longer and get into this. Now I'm about to work on my very first mystery diamond painting from FG Normal. So this is all a brand new experience to me. Okay, so it is double-sided. Okay, so this is what we see. Not a whole lot. We have 22 colors. What's this? I don't know what that is. And let's get into this. With the other mystery diamond painting, it was kind of obvious what the theme was. Not the entire picture, but what it was going to be about. So I hope that's not the case with this. What are all these white stuff? Oh, okay, so we get a basic toolkit, no baggies. We get my favorite kind of drills, and these are square. According to the ad, they have 20 different designs. You can't really choose a design. I'm looking, and last time I had a mystery diamond painting, I wasn't really looking at the monitor. Is that a butterfly? Or are my eyes playing tricks on me? It's funny when I look at it, but of course I'm pretty close to it. When I look at it, I don't see anything. But when I look in the viewfinder of my camera, which is very small of course, but I think I see a butterfly. But I'm not sure. We have two legends, by the way. This kind of setup totally reminds me of like FG Normal and GBFKE. I was sort of expecting it to be double-sided adhesive, and I don't know why. Maybe that was in the ad or something, I don't know. It's a nice surprise to see that it's some form of port glue. Okay, here we go. And just like with my last, my first mystery diamond painting, we have all the colors in the rainbow. So this doesn't really tell us much about what it's going to be. So the good thing is I ordered a 30 by 40 centimeter. It says 35 by 45 on the canvas, which means the entire canvas is 35 by 45, but the actual painting will still be a 30 by 40 as advertised. So that is great. Oh, this is going to be perfect. And we have GMC codes on the canvas, but they do not appear to be. No, they are not on the drill bags. Is this a 550? Yes, it is. Awesome. Okay, I'm not gonna go over all the drills. I have a lot of, well, not a lot, but I have some that are double. There's 2 of 16, so the grayish blue and the normal blue, and we have 2 of the 3865. It's hard to read. Is it 3865? Yes, it is. Okay. So, wow. Okay, I think it's gonna be a butterfly, but I don't know. Which is still awesome because, you know, everybody has different taste in diamond painting, of course. I do not prefer people or buildings or things like that, objects. But I do prefer everything from nature, so this is awesome. Yeah, I'm not really sure how I'm gonna make this, how I'm gonna do this. I think I'll just update you guys as I'm working on it, so you can sort of see how it's coming along. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So it might be a while before this video goes up, but yeah. Before I leave you guys for now, let's quickly look at the drill field itself. As you can see, it's totally flat when you do that, which is awesome. Still some air underneath. Okay, it's gone. Totally flat. But yeah, let's take a look at the drill field. When I look at the legend, this is just perfect. It's all letters. So I really like that. Yeah. Nothing bad to say so far. Yeah, so I'm just gonna update you guys along the way, and we'll see together how this will turn out. Yeah, curious. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, it's actually been a while since I filmed the unboxing, but here we are. I decided to do this painting color by color. If you do not want to see all of this and just skip to the finished result, I will leave a time mark on the screen here. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this one color at a time, even though it's a bigger painting than my last mystery diamond painting. This is actually listed as a 35 by 45, but the drill area is 30 by 40. I have a tray here for the spare drills. When I'm done with the color, just label them 1 to 28 according to the numbers on the backs. Yeah, so we're gonna use random.org to pick a color because I enjoyed working like that the last time, and you guys seem to think it was a fun idea as well, so why not? By the way, our major players here are color number 10, and we have 2 of color number 16, and we have 2 of our 3865. Is it 3865? It's actually 3866. Really? Well, it is a bit off-white, so I guess that makes sense. Anyway, let's do this. So, I just go to random.org, and this is what you'll see on the main page. You'll see me struggle with my nails. Okay, so we have 22 colors, and let's give me one. 14. We are going to start with the green, and I'm going to put this color down everywhere I can find it. It is a bit harder to do with a mystery painting. If you don't have any colors, it's hard to see if you missed one or not. But yeah, we're just going to start with this one and work our way through all the 22 colors the rest of this video will be sped up, so you won't be here forever. But I do hope you enjoyed this. Okay guys, it is finished. Quite a stunning painting, if you ask me. Not necessarily something I would actually buy myself, but I think this looks amazing. I am not sure how long this took me to do. I think it took quite a long time, like 12 hours or something. I mean, it is a square and it's at 30 by 40, so maybe it's not that weird. But yeah, I took my time. I can definitely see gaps up close. I'm just gonna zoom you in. Let's just be honest about this. You can definitely see the gaps, but from afar it looks perfect. So let's just look at it from afar, shall we? Okay, and the drills were excellent. I didn't have a lot of trash. There were some colors that were like you didn't get a lot of extras, like with all of these, and I was kind of worried, but didn't run out of anything, so that's perfect. And I'm definitely holding on to all of these because I have the DMC code. So yeah, gonna save these because they're pretty good quality drills. So I like that. Yeah, I will leave the link to the ad in the description box if you want to check it out. I can't say I will leave the link to this painting because it's a mystery painting and it's 1 out of 20 shots you get this one. So really curious about the other designs they have. Kind of tempted to order another one, but also afraid I will get the same one and it will be quite boring, I guess. So yeah, if you've ever ordered a mystery diamond painting from AliExpress, let me know how what your experience was, what you think about it. I really like the idea. And I think I like the square better than the rounds, because the rounds you will always have that total white background, which, you know, kind of takes away a bit of the color. That was my experience anyway. And with this you get the full color, even though the background is all white, but because there are square drills it just cover everything. So I like that. Okay, enough talk. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you very soon. Bye!